ขอบคุณคุณอรุณโอทัยมากๆเลยนะครับขณะนี้ผมนั่งอยู่กับผู้บริหารของบริษัทไฮฟ้าจำกัดนะครับซึ่งอยู่ในบูธของไฮฟ้าเองซึ่งเป็นหนึ่งในผู้เข้าร่วมแสดงผลงานและนิทรรศการในงาน Horti Asia 2012 นะครับซึ่งเราจะมาพูดคุยทำความรู้จักกับบริษัทไฮฟ้านะครับว่าไฮฟ้ามีที่มาที่ไปอย่างไรและจุดเด่นผลิตภัณฑ์ของไฮฟ้านั้นมีประโยชน์ต่อเกษตรกรและมีประโยชน์ต่อการเพิ่มผลผลิตทางด้านการเกษตรอย่างไรนะครับขออนุญาตแนะนำผู้บริหารของบริษัทไฮฟ้าจำกัดก่อนมิสเตอร์วิทเนอร์สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ
Thank you for joining us and give us a great honor to be here for an interview. For the first of all, I would like to know about the history and your background of Haifa.
Okay, Haifa is an Israeli-based multinational company. Haifa was funded by the Israeli government sometimes at the mid-60s, 1966 to be precise, in order to explore and to use our natural sources in the Dead Sea of potash. We are actually using the raw material excavated from the Dead Sea, which is, by the way, the lowest place on earth of potash, and by processing the potash we are producing the potassium nitrate and a long range of other fully water-soluble fertilizers. As I mentioned, Haifa is a multinational company. We have about 13 subsidiaries, and the latest one was funded here in Thailand 2 years ago when we established Haifa, Thailand. Haifa, Thailand is operating in Thailand and supervising the activity in all East Asia.
So when you are talking about the Haifa, Thailand, it's mean that in the same for your vision for your Haifa, right?
Our vision, our group vision, is to improve the farming community and to offer to the farmers an ongoing solution at the end of the day to create better profit for him and his family, to create a better crop, high quality crop, and from the other end taking good care of the environment. We are producing fertilizers, as I said, which are fully water soluble and therefore they absorb better by the plant. They can be broadcast either as soil application and as foliar application and absorbed or by the roots and or by the leaves. The application, this kind of application will benefit the plants as the efficiency of the and the utility of the fertilizers will be much higher than the common fertilizers, and therefore much of the minerals will be absorbed into the plant and not be leached out or run off and spoil the environment.
So it means that for your vision, you need to the farmer to use for the good quality, the good product to improve for the plantation, for do the farming, and after that for improve the quality of their life too, right?
At the end of the day, our aim, as I said, is to benefit the farming community worldwide. If I will be more specific with regards to what you just mentioned, we have conducted a few years ago a very large-scale trial in rice in Thailand as well as in Vietnam. And we found that using our fertilizers compared with the control fertilizers or the common practice that the farmers are used until now, they have benefit 20% more in yield. That means 20% more profit at the end of the day, net profit at the end of the day for the farmer. So it's a win-win situation since more of the fertilizers is absorbed, the farmer is getting a better yield, we are helping him to make a better profit, and at the end of the day, in Thailand as well as in the rest of the world, there will be, by using those fertilizers, more food available for the people.
Okay. When you are talking about your product, Haifa product, when we clicking to website haifagroup.com, it seems that there are so many kind of your product. Can you suggest us what the good point of your product and is how different from the other?
Yeah. Our bread and butter, or our main product, is the potassium nitrate. As I've mentioned earlier, we use the raw material excavated at the Dead Sea, which is the potash, and from the potash, via some chemical process, we produce potassium nitrate. We have few grades of potassium nitrate. The common one is well known in Thailand as well as worldwide, is named the Multi-K. We have the Multi-K in a crystalline form and in pills form. We have the potassium. This is mainly used in agriculture. We have the potassium nitrate, which is the technical grade. The technical grade is used for various industries, the glass industry, the touchpad and smartphones, and for example here, it is used a lot for firecrackers, for fireworks. Besides the potassium nitrate, and based on this potassium nitrate, we have created a wide range of fertilizers, and I will name some. We have the polyfeed, which is NPK fertilizers. By saying NPK,
is this a standard mainly for?
It's not standard. It's actually a tailor-made formulas, in which we blend few products based again on potassium nitrate with various ratios of N, nitrogen, P, phosphorus, and K, potash. In addition to the polyfeed, we have the magnesal, which we are again a leading producer in the world of magnesal, which is magnesium nitrate. We have MAP, MKP, calcium nitrate, and others. One product that I would like to emphasize or to talk about is the multi-coat, and this comes with an aspect of environmental issues. The multi-coat is actually NPK granulars, fully water soluble, coated by a patent polymer. This polymer is releasing the product into the soil by the soil temperature, which means in places like Thailand where the soil temperature is fixed and it doesn't fluctuate, the release curve will be steady, and throughout the releasing time the fertilizers will be available to the plant. That will ensure, one, that the plant will get the fertilizers exactly how much he needs, when he needs, and secondly, no environmental hazards. That means most of the fertilizer will be absorbed into the plant and not leached out again or run off. And
so it means that for your product, when you put when you use in the do the farming or plantation, so it means that for the soil and the plant will cooperate together. When they lack some kind of nitrogen or phosphate, they will be absorbed by themselves.
We see everything as one unit. When we look at that, for us it is one unit, which is the atmosphere, the plant itself, it's either a tree or a bush, and the soil. And even the subsoil which below. And that is one unit. When we come to calculate the requirements, we of course take into consideration the amount available in the soil by the soil chemistry. Our agronomist will evaluate that, and accordingly we will recommend for the right fertilizer and the right quantities.
When we are talking about the Haifa product, there one question that what's your product, how to be environmental friendly?
As I said, the products are environmental friendly by their nature, since most of the fertilizers used today, the common fertilizers which are used today in Thailand, are not fully water soluble. That means that a lot of the mineral, actually the majority of the mineral in the fertilizer, is not absorbed by the plant. By using our product, most, since it is fully water soluble, clean from any metal, doesn't contain any chlorides. Therefore, majority of the minerals are absorbed into the plant, and therefore keeps the water level, the underwater table very clean, and it doesn't leach down and it doesn't run off. Again, keeps it safe and sound.
Okay, thank you so much. ก็เหมือนอย่างที่คุณผู้ชมได้รับฟังไปนะครับว่าทั้งวิสัยทัศน์และก็ผลิตภัณฑ์ของไฮฟ้านั้นมีประโยชน์ทางด้านการเกษตรอย่างไรมีประโยชน์ในตัวเองนะครับที่สามารถเพิ่มผลผลิตทางด้านการเกษตรโดยที่พืชสามารถนำไปปรับแล้วก็ประยุกต์ใช้ได้นะครับนั่นก็คือคำว่าปรับประยุกต์ใช้นั่นก็คือพืชสามารถดูดซึมธาตุอาหารที่ขาดได้ด้วยตัวของมันเองนะครับก็ถือว่าเป็นการแนะนำผลิตภัณฑ์จากผู้บริหารของบริษัทไฮฟ้าเองโดยตรงเลยทีเดียวนะครับ Today I would like to thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Information. I think that maybe for the next time I will be have an interview with you again. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
ก็ถือว่าได้พูดคุยกับผู้บริหารไปเรียบร้อยแล้วนะครับทีนี้เราจะไปดูสถานที่จริงนะครับแต่ก่อนที่จะไป